All right, today I want to spend another quick little chem minute talking a little bit about glasses versus goggles and how we're going to use them in the chemistry lab and in the science classroom. So the very first thing I want to talk a little bit about the difference between what is the goggle versus what is glasses. And so safety glasses are typically those inexpensive pieces of plastic that you can get at the hardware store. They do have different kind of quality, different grades, different sizes, and they're great for when you're using things that are solids and you have anything that might come directly toward your eyes, like a piece of wood or something like that, a rock or something, if you want to stop that from hitting you into your eyes. Okay. What the glasses are not good for, though, is if you have some liquid. So if the liquid's going to run down your face, it's going to get inside of all these areas and get into your eyes very easily. Okay, but the glasses are great if you have stuff that are flying forward, and they won't break. They won't break on you or hurt you. Okay. Now the problem with these, though, again, anytime we're using gases or liquids, there's plenty of room, especially in these smaller ones. There's plenty of room for liquid to get into. That's where we're going to use goggles. Okay. So goggles, the difference there is that they form a seal around your skin, and there's really no place for water or liquid or anything harmful like that to get into place. Okay, these goggles that we're going to use in the chemistry lab this year are probably some of the safest goggles I've ever owned or taught with. These are some of the old-fashioned goggles that we used to have. They're also very, very efficient as well. The problem with these, though, they have these little air vents that a lot of kids like to play with. You see these little air vents on top, and oftentimes those air vents, those are just places for liquid and air to get into your goggles and get into your eyes and things like that. So we will be wearing goggles when we're doing anything with harmful liquids or chemicals in general. Anytime that we want to be extra safe, we're going to be wearing goggles. Okay. If we're not really doing something too harmful with chemicals or liquids, there will be times in the science lab we'll be using glasses, especially in integrated science, maybe even a little bit in biology. Glasses are enough protection for most of the things we'll do there. Whereas in chemistry lab, goggles are going to probably be the number one eye protection that we're going to be using. All right, that's it for today's Chem Minute.